This video covers creating groups and managing device clients. So when you first set up your account, you have the default group and that's where your devices live, but you can add additional groups to organize your devices. So if I click on groups, I see the group name that I have and then I can create new groups. So I'm going to add some right here. And then I'll add tablets and how about servers? Okay, so now you can still see that I have two members in my default group. So if I go to the default group and I want to move these around, I'm going to say this one, I'm going to move to desktops. And when I do, you'll notice the screen refreshes and now I'm inside that desktops group and here is that device. I'm going to go back to default and I'm going to move this one to tablets. So you can see how this works. And now if I click on groups, I get my summary screen shows I have one in desktops and one in tablets. I can delete these groups as I need. As I need to, I can create new. And the beauty of the groups is that you can put your devices in here and organize them so you don't have just a huge list and under default, as well as you can create a backup job or a restore job that can run against an entire group. So in other words, you could have 100 devices in a single group and you could set up a backup job to back up, say, the users folder or the C drive or whatever you needed. And you could apply that to that group and it would run across all 100 devices with just a single job. So that's kind of the beauty of the groups, is one, organizing, and two, being able to apply a job to more than one device by just creating one single job. So that's how you create groups. By clicking on groups, you get to add new groups, and you can also delete them, and you can organize them by clicking on the group where a device exists, checking the box, and moving it to another group.